we've just come back from the market and bought 100 weight of vegetables. So I'm sorted for the next 3 months. I'm just going to show you these. I know you have seen vegetables before. Courgettes, tomatoes, plus those ones that need to ripen up there. Massive bag of peppers, massive bag of aubergines. They were all €1 each. And then I've got 3 melons, 2 to keep, 1 that'll be ripe, and strawberries. That's what's left of some of the strawberries. But there is in here, oh shit, I shouldn't have, oh shit. You know what strawberries look like, but they're beautiful, absolutely beautiful. You could smell them. So anyway, I'm vegetables and fruited up. Now Stuart needs to get in the kitchen and start cooking his sausage. Well, there's the ratatouille to feed the Swiss Army. There's tons of that. I'll be sick. I'll never eat ratatouille ever again, I think, after that lot. There were so many aubergines. I needed to leave some out, so I've spent all afternoon frying them. Stuart's going mad because I've used like £65 worth of bloody electric. There's still 2 courgettes left. That pepper's for Stuart for his breakfast, so I'm not bothered about that. But still got 2 courgettes left, and I'm thinking, oh, I'll do courgette fritters. And then I'm thinking, oh, I'm going to get into trouble about the gas again, so I don't know whether to have raw courgette salad. And then up there, the tomatoes are still, half the tomatoes are still ripening. So, yeah, I've certainly got absolute tons of food out of this, what do you call it? Trip to the market, that's right. Not sure whether it was good value after all that, like you say, all the amount of cooking that I've had to do and electric to use. I might as well have just gone and ate aubergine fritters up at the restaurant. Anyway, I will let you know how many days worth of food I've had out of this and work out whether it's useful or not. Stuart probably won't eat any of it, so I know what my lunch is for the next month. Stuart did actually eat it after he'd put loads of meat with it and doctored it a bit.